It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosters, here I am, Miss JENITA in the kitchen. I took all that stuff off the coffee bar, but I tried to put stuff up here to display for a fall coffee bar. But the coffee bar is there to be used, but all my little stuff, I just got an overload of decorations. I got hollow with fall. There's the fall book that I created on my crafting channel. I got fall, spring, and winter. Soon I have a summer and a rebel book collection soon in the future. And I still have to share what's inside of these rebel journal books. So I just got a bunch of stuff up here. It's a throw up fall bar decoration. I said I was going to try to clean this bar off and share with you guys some things, but it's not exactly coming out the way I want it. I need to get me some more clips. I'm using, I know y'all can see some of my clothespins to hold up some of this stuff. I got my sign I made a while back. It says the turkeys. I have made some turkeys, a pie, like that. And then I got the fall couple. I need to get my glue dots on them. They are snug together real tight. I got the rebel leader back there. I got my little owl that I plan on making more of. I got my little chipmunk squirrel sitting up here. And down here on this three-tiered tray thing, I got some squirrels and owls and stuff. And then it's all junky to the right of me. But there go old paint I had 2 years ago. Y'all, I just got so much stuff I need to be still. Y'all know I'm still in the process of decluttering. Don't even look up there on my refrigerator. I got to take all that stuff down off my refrigerator, scrub on top of the refrigerator. I got to get my stainless steel stuff out so I can clean my refrigerator. I got to clean the stove. It's a lot got to be done. I enjoyed cleaning this bar off, and then I just cluttered it back up with all of this fall decor of mine. So many different eclectic decor up here. But I love it. These are my things that I created, and I love each and every single one of them. If y'all notice any cluttered area, y'all think, oh, that need to be clean. Oh well, Miss JENITA gonna get to it when I get to it. But mostly, some of y'all want to see some things on the coffee bar. I'm kind of too close. I can't get this camera to back up some more. But this is what's going on. And in the front, it's just drawers down there. Behind me is a lot of pantry stuff. I ain't showing that. But yeah, I got some little flowers up here. Those are gorgeous. The little flowers. And like I said, I got the little crochet characters. Some of these things are gonna be made. I'm gonna make with dang, what is this dang material? Burlap. I got some burlap material that I'm gonna use to create some of my characters with, and some of my stuff. So the coffee bar is cleaned off. Husband is happy. I gotta do the bar. I gotta do a bunch of stuff, y'all. Miss JENITA is extremely busy over here decluttering. It all started when I fell in love watching channels that show how you they seasonal decorated, and I went overboard and bought too much, and then this small place, I don't have no basement, I ain't got no cellar, I ain't got no outdoor space to get a what you call that thing, a shed, all that kind of stuff. Miss JENITA is not able to do. So what I gotta do, I gotta declutter, I gotta downsize from what I have. Like, I'm still crafting, but a lot of this stuff that I bought from the junk store, got from the Ross, Home Goods, and all that stuff, a lot of stuff I gotta get rid of because I got too much. Like, if y'all watch my old videos on my seasonal decor where my bedspreads changed with the season, 59,000 bedspreads, all that stuff I got. But I am happy. It make my heart pitter patter that I am. My husband said, well, you gonna finna take that back down? I said, not at this moment. I'm not getting ready to take all of this stuff back down. But I just wanted to share, really basically, this is just a bunch of my artwork sitting on top of the coffee bar. I got an orange coffee cup sitting up there in front of the Keurig. I see now they got all kind of brand new coffee machines now. This Keurig, I don't drink coffee, but I'll drink it every now and then. My husband drink coffee. But he happy that I cleared all that stuff off this coffee bar, and he loving that I'm getting the spirit of trying to do something. But now he want me to do a whole lot more. But Miss JENITA is just losing weight and starting to feel better. I got a little strength to try and do some things. Like, I'm still decluttering, like I'm telling y'all. I'm still getting rid of stuff. I'm still straightening up. I'm shredding up a bunch of paper. Don't you hate when you get a bunch of junk mail? And if you don't get rid of it immediately, it piles up. And then I like to shred up stuff. I don't like to just throw my stuff out there with my name and everything all over. I like to shred it up. So I'm doing all that. But I want to apologize for this not so evenly done coffee bar. I did something. I came to share something, and this is what I'm sharing, and that's what happened. What you see is what you get. I got to clean my oven. I got to replace the vent on that stuff. This place needs paint. It's a lot of work need doing over here, y'all. I've been looking at people's beautiful kitchens and homes while they decorate for the fall, and I just been admiring all that, and that really put you in the spirit of, wanting to decorate and stuff. But like I say, what I got up here, I got a cluttered decor decorated coffee bar. I love it because it's my artwork. It's my crafting that I love to do. Hey, Fall family back there. Hey, Rebel Leader. Hey, Fall Book. All the Rebel family members, the Fall family members. Y'all remember these cute little owl things from Dollar Tree? $1.25 now. These are so cute. These things right here. Y'all still got those in your collection of decor? And this owl too here came from the Dollar Tree. I believe, or it might have been a 99-cent store. Okay, y'all, that's all I got to say. This is all I got to share. And hopefully y'all enjoyed this little bit. I know most of y'all have probably seen all these little things. That's my little owl right there. That's not an owl, that's a fox. I had fun making him. Rebel Leader, you and all the fun. You gonna want a tongue? Well, you gonna want me to put a tongue on my little fox, huh, Rebel Leader? I see you staring at me. Stare at the people and say, happy fall, y'all. And poke out your little nasty tongue at everybody. You cute, you cute. Okay, fall family, happy fall. I'm about to end this video, and I hope all y'all have a fantastic fall. And we only got a few days to Christmas, so I'll move all this off and throw up some Christmas art. All right, bye y'all. Thanks for watching. Leave comments in the comment section. Bye. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit